7, and then I went back to sleep, and then I got up at 8, and then I stayed in there for I think 15 or 20 minutes, and I got everything ready for my teas. I did that during the wash, and now I made some oatmeal and coffee. So I'm gonna eat that. So I already got my list, as you guys saw, was very, very long. So I'm gonna open to that up. I gotta write in the rest of the birthdays for this month. So I guess while I am what's it called? Oh fuck. I need that charger that's in my car to transfer. Okay, so I can't do that. So I guess while I'm eating, it's just gonna be a little bit of me time. Probably gonna watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine or YouTube videos. Most likely Brooklyn Nine-Nine. And then I'm also gonna be looking at my affiliates because I just got into that yesterday. I was in a hurry now because the weather was like super nice for being in Texas. So I'm gonna go to the car wash right now instead of uploading the video. Like I was like, oh, maybe I should at least transfer the files. I'm like, no, like that's gonna take way too long, and then it's gonna be hot, and I don't want to deal with that because usually I clean the car at night. I look like a mess. I'm recording on my phone, but I decided to get a car wash. It's literally currently washing. That's where I'm in. The reason why I don't do the other car washes, also apparently the scrubs are bad for you, are bad for the car, and also my car has a dent on it because someone hit my car while it was parked. I'm like, how do you hit a parked car? And like, I never found out who it was, so now I just have a dent on it. So kind of annoying. So that's why I like these ones, because one time when I was washing my car with those, since I have the high pressure on it, it literally took off a chunk of paint. So not only do I have to fix a dent, I have to get my whole like freaking car painted. But the paint was where I hope you could hear me, but the paint is where the dent was, so like it makes sense, you know. But I'm about to do this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up all of this trash, all of the receipts, all of that has to go first before I start vacuuming. This is a lot. I'll just see you guys when I'm done, because this is gonna take me a minute. Oh my goodness, my car is officially clean, and also I am officially sweaty. So let me put these. Okay, I look terrible. My hair's everywhere. But I am uploading my skincare and makeup routine right now. It is at 56. It's uploading. No, it's not made for kids. It doesn't have age restriction. I literally like to get this done, all this stuff done before while it's loading, and then it gets it all prepped for the checks, because now there's a check thing that I didn't know about once I started uploading recently. I'm like, when did they start doing this? But while that's uploading, I'm gonna keep cleaning. And also I have a stain in my carpet that I have to clean. So if you guys know how to take coffee stains out, let me know. And I'm just gonna keep on cleaning. I'm trying to get rid of those boxes right there. Yeah, right there. Trying to get rid of those boxes because they just don't look nice. So I cleaned those out. Those boxes are going in the trash. And then that one Converse box, I'm gonna keep that up in my closet. And then I gotta put my sunglasses away. I'm also gonna put my school stuff. Where is it? Right there. My school stuff right there. I'm gonna put all of that stuff in my closet too, but in a more accessible area. And then I gotta put my makeup box back in the restroom, and then after we're gonna vacuum and then try and get that stain out, and then we're gonna start cleaning the restroom, which it's not terrible. It's just that cleaning the bathtub is so hard. Okay, so I changed. I went out to the mall to help someone look for clothes, and I actually finished cleaning everything before I left. Like, my closet looks so organized compared to the way it was before, and like I have so much room here. And I am going to close out the video here. Very productive today. I still had to go grocery shopping. I folded all my clothes too before I left, and I just made my bed right now because I washed the sheets. So I am going to close out the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this motivates you to like get a day specifically just to reset, get everything prepared for the week. I know what I have to do is write down what I have to do for the week, my goals for the week, and then set my alarms early for tomorrow because I'm working early 3 days this week. So I do have to get up early for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.